The proviso.
As per your understanding, what is the political party? I mean, where do you draw the line of these requirements have to be fulfilled and they become a political party?
So political party, I would go with the definition in the Election Act, Section 2, subsection 28. It is a party which stands enlisted with the Election Commission as a party, and the definition doesn't require it to have contested the election.
So it has to be enlisted is one requirement?
Yes.
What else?
It says political party means an association of citizens or a combination or group of such associations formed with a view to propagating or influencing.
ये हो गया ना जी, एक आपने requirement कही enlistment, और कोई requirement है?
Nothing. It does not have to have contested the last election.
देखिए इसमें जरा फर्क इतना है कि no doubt you are a political party, enlisted political party. The question is whether every party which is registered has a right to get share in the reserve seats.
If independents join it, yes, that is my submission. There is no bar in this provision, and in fact, the proviso normally is an exception. It normally creates an exception, but there is case law, and I'm presenting that. Kindly see, I've placed a paper book.
Akram Saab, you have just read the definition of
your case is
what about Section 104?
Contrast to
Section 104 भी तो ये है ना कि political party contesting the election, they will be entitled for the reserves.
So 104 पे मैं अलहदा से आऊंगा. Let me come to 104.
Mr. Salman, keep in mind that your submission is contradicting because Mr. Faisal Siddiqui, if I've understood him correctly, has argued that the proviso is a true proviso.
No, both arguments can be taken into account.
There is now a variance.
But this is a question of law. I'll submit you can look at it two ways. Kindly see in the paper book.
It's a question of law, therefore I'm putting it to you.
Yes.
That you are now arguing in a different vein.
Sometimes arguments are made in the alternative. I mean, your lordships can choose which argument to accept.
What argument is in the alternative to Mr. Faisal Siddiqui?
It can be, my lord. As an officer of the court.
Is it in the alternative to you yourself?
My lord, as an officer of the court, I can present different arguments, and your lordships can see which argument is ultimately weightier.
आगे बढ़े ना प्लीज.
जी मैं बढ़ रहा हूँ.
मैंने आपका अभी तक एक जुमला लिखा है.
जी मैं ये important जुमला है. This is the heart of the matter. Now kindly see in this paper book I present a judgment.
जजमेंट छोड़िए, केस
ये बहुत जरूरी है on the question of proviso.
पहले अपना proposition बता दें.
Proposition ये है that the effect of the proviso is to extinguish the difference between seats won at the time of the general election, direct seats won at the time of the general election, and seats won subsequently on account of independents joining a political party. So my submission is that Article 51(6)(d) and E is providing a route to election to the National Assembly.
Why did the Constitution go through the trouble and bother of putting it in a proviso? If your interpretation is correct, in very simple language, the entire thing could have been put in one paragraph.
Well, that's a stylistic thing, and that is why I placed reliance.
No, it's not stylistic. Not stylistic, because as I asked Mr. Faisal Siddiqui, the proviso applies, and I think again you are also, with all due respect, not focusing on the opening words of the proviso.
Lord.
For the purposes of this paragraph.
Yes.
An independent, a true independent can join a political party at any time through the life of of that particular assembly.
Yes,
but that won't count insofar as the proportional representation is concerned.
But this paragraph.
This is the reason why.
My Lord Maskaru, this paragraph is in fact dealing with the proportional representation question and the seats to be won by each party on the basis of proportional representation. It is not dealing with subsequent events of an independent.
And therefore, it is restricting the independence. Firstly, for the purposes of this proviso, and then within a time limit of 3 days.
Yes, but
which seems to me, and I'm putting this question to you, to indicate that it is a true proviso and not a substantive provision.
Lord, now let me come to page 63 of this paper book. I start at page 60, and then I'll come to our own case law where this particular judgment has been noted with approval.
Lekin Raja Saab, you have to take a specific position.
Yes.
Whether PTI candidates, 86 of them that contested elections as independents, they contested the elections as candidates of a political party, PTI.
Lord,
now that stance you cannot changed that stance.
My Lord, there is the legal position and there is our position. The legal position is that the Election Commission treated us as independents, gave us symbols out of the symbols allocated to independents.
Raja Saab, as my Lord Justice Mansoor Ali Shah correctly stated, that it is such a great public importance issue that your petition was probably more important. That could not have been returned.
Could not have been
now,
returned.
If you are abandoning that,
I'm not abandoning that.
Again,
I'm saying that issue is before your lordships.
If we do not take notice of this matter under Article 184(3) of the Constitution, the people, their rights will be affected.
I bow and I say...
So you have to take a very clear stance.
My Lord, I don't know what will find favor with your lordships, so I'm making two submissions, two alternative submissions.
आपके अगर बात ये होती कि आपके अगर ये बात होती कि आप रिजर्व सीट पीटीआई की रिजर्व सीट पे आप नॉमिनेटेड थे, जो पीटीआई के कैंडिडेट हैं उनको ना तो वहां जाना चाहिए था ना उनको आजाद डिक्लेयर करना चाहिए था। हमारा नहीं हो तो आपने
कमीशन ने कर दिया,
आपने होने दिया,
उन्हें नहीं दिया सर। हमने
चैलेंज नहीं किया।
हम हाई कोर्ट में गए, हम इलेक्शन में गए, हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट गए। बाय देन इलेक्शंस हैड हैपेंड एंड द सिचुएशन हैड चेंज्ड वेरी ड्रास्टिकली।
एजिटेट किए बगैर वापस चले गए।
नहीं सर, एजिटेट हमने किया, हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट आए, जब हमें वापस हो गया उसके बाद इलेक्शन हो गया, वी देन गॉट इन्वॉल्वड इन आवर इलेक्शन डिस्प्यूट।
चेंबर अपील फाइल नहीं की आपने, इस पिटीशन
ये काम नहीं किया, चेंबर अपील नहीं की, बाकी सब कुछ किया।
साहब ये आप अकेले लगे हुए थे, आपसे पूछना ये कि इतना इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, उस पे पार्टी कहाँ थी? It was such an important constitutional question.
Yes.
Where was the party?
I was doing my best.
आपने जवाब तो दें।
जी। They were relying on me. I suppose they thought I have raised this issue. And then when elections had happened and what happened to us, we were immediately involved before the Election Commission with our applications for recount and for re-examination and so on. The whole scenario changed after the 8th. Now kindly let me just...
आप ये नहीं समझते कि अगर आपकी petition आज लगी होती तो situation altogether different होती?
सर वो आप लगा लें. It is in your hands.
हम आज भी request नहीं कर
Then, my Lord, then I would submit. Then, as my Lord is pointing out, Justice Athar Minillah, this is in your Lordship's
Please argue your case.
Yes, my Lord.